Welcome to Kids TV. Construction vehicles. Hi kids, today we're going to explore the wonderful world of construction vehicles. Let's dive in and learn about some of the most common construction vehicles. Excavator. Heavy construction equipment with a long arm boom, dipper and bucket, used for digging and moving large amounts of soil. Excavator. Bulldozer. Powerful tracked vehicle with a large, flat blade in front, used for pushing large quantities of soil, sand, rubble, or other material. Bulldozer. Backhoe loader. Versatile machine with a digging bucket on the back and a loading bucket on the front, used for small demolition, digging, and material handling. Backhoe loader. Roller. The roller is a soil compactor. When the soil is compacted, the roads we travel on become smoother and safer. Roller. Dump truck. Truck with an open box bed that can be tilted to unload materials like sand, gravel, or demolition waste. Dump truck. Telehandler. A machine with a telescopic boom that can extend forward and upward, used for lifting and placing materials at heights. Telehandler. Crane. Machine equipped with cables and pulleys to lift and move heavy materials vertically and horizontally. Crane. Driver. Machine is used to drive piles of large, heavy beams into the ground to provide foundation support for buildings or other structures. driver. concrete mixer truck. A truck or stationary machine with a rotating drum used to mix concrete. Concrete mixer truck. Pump truck. The pump truck is a specialized vehicle used to pump concrete from the mixing location to the construction site. Pump truck. With these vehicles, we can build amazing structures. Always remember to stay safe around construction vehicles. See you next time.